2:47 in the morning on a Saturday. Every landlord knows this text. The water heater's leaking. You could hand all of this to full-service property management, typically 8 to 12% of your rent every month, whether anything breaks or not. Or you post the repair. 1 minute, pick the unit, add the photo, tag it emergency, and go back to sleep. By morning, identity-verified local pros have priced the job in competing bids. Compare, chat, pick. Your money waits in Stripe escrow while the work happens. Then date-stamped before and after photos land on your phone. No proof, no payment. You approve from the kitchen table and only then does the money move. You never drove anywhere. One rental you manage yourself, or 40 doors with a short-staffed crew, AllBetter is the repair layer. Post your first repair free at allbetterapp.com.